Hey guys, just got this kit from Rivco. About to try and install it. It's an air horn. I think I need to be heard on the streets in New York City. What do you think? Kit came boxed up. You got air compressor, two beautiful chrome horns. This thing is supposed to be really loud. The air compressor's all wired up. I just need to get that off. Well, more importantly, I need to get that off first. And then I can deal with that monster. All right, guys. I'll start this again when I get into it. All right, now that I got all that nonsense out of the way, got access to what I really need, time to get this off. This is the old horn. Made in Turkey. Nah, man, we want American made. Not this crap. Alright, so far so good. Got the old horn out. Got the new bracket on. I just need to connect these two plugs. I need to get this ground wire right back to that ground wire. Then I need to run this up past the cylinder head and crimp it to the positive, and I should be done. Not too bad, actually. All right, so I got the ground wire to the ground, the plug's in. I've routed the wire to the rear cylinder. What you guys are gonna need to do is crimp a little bit off for the connector here. And this is just inserting and crimping down. This is gonna go to my positive on the battery. Install those horns, and I'm done. Just one more thing, guys. Make sure when you bolt this down that the hose here is not facing out this way like I originally had it. It won't be able to route around into the horn. Make sure that the hose is coming out of the right side facing you, so you get plenty of slack to get that bent around to go into the covers. All right, hold on. All right, I think I got everything in. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh, now I'm gonna do a quick test. The way I'm gonna do this is by activating the security on my Roadmaster. 2 clicks, right? Oh, wow. Holy crap. Yeah, definitely loud, guys. My ears are ringing.